Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm gonna do a walk around video of my truck, the 2019 International LT flat top. It's got a Cummins X15 13-speed transmission. I got it with about 288,000 miles. About 6 months I've been running now. It's got around 340,000, 346. But anyways, here's a little walk around I'm gonna put together for you guys, and let me know what you think. So the first major thing I had to do to this truck was I had to put 8 drive tires on it. I went with these Falcons 11R24.5s. I got them from Beasley Tire down in Houston, Texas. So far I'm pleased with them. Oh, somebody hit me recently at a truck stop when they were pulling out. So he caught me right there and right there. It was about 3 in the morning. I jumped out running after him, but I couldn't catch him. I'm lucky that's all he did, and he didn't catch my light or my mirror. I'd have been pissed off then. 100-gallon tanks on each side. I stay in it pretty good, so the fuel mileage it's hit or miss. Sometimes I'm getting 5 or greater, 6 sometimes, so it stays at 5. Right now I'm just going to do a few things to the truck. I had to replace my fire extinguisher sticker. It used to be up on the door, but I put the fire extinguisher in here because I didn't like the sticker up there. When I put it on crooked. I don't know if you can see. Pretty obvious to me if you're an OCD dude like myself. So I'm going to replace that right now. And also, when I was at the Streak and Beacon the other day, these fools power washed off my reflective tape. So I got some more tape. I got some glue gone, so I'm gonna scrape off the rest of that, get it nice and clean, and put some new reflective DOT tape on there, so they got nothing to mess with me about. it on. I guess it's a moment of truth. Let's see if I put it on straight this time, not crooked. That messed up that E, I can already tell. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a walk around video of my truck. Hope you liked it. I don't know, I guess give me a comment, let me know what you think about it. It was a lot easier getting a truck than I thought. You got good credit, it's no problem. Don't let anything intimidate you, because I know a lot of guys are scared to get into this game, thinking they're, you know, stuck as a company driver. They don't know how to get into it. But it's a lot easier than most think.